Hi friends, welcome to my channel Priyanka Art Creations. Today's video is about how to make beautiful traditional house. So without any delay, let's start our video. Now take a cardboard sheet and its length is 22 cm and breadth is 14 cm height. Make total 2 cardboard with the same size and same measurements. Now take one cardboard and mark the doors and windows and cut it with the cutter. Take help of elders. Now just open it like this. Now doors are ready. Now cut the windows with the same procedure. Just open it slowly. Now windows are also ready. Now door and windows are ready. Now take another cardboard and cut in like G shape 14 cm breadth. Now cut the window with the help of cutter. With the same procedure make one more. Now take toothpicks and connect to the windows like this with the help of Fevibond. You can take Fevicol also, but with Fevibond it will stick very quickly. Connect to the two cardboards like this to the two windows. From outside it will be like this. Now connect the other side windows also like this to the front side door. Now apply glue on the edge part of the front house. Now connect this another side wall, cardboard wall like this. Now connect the another side wall on the other side like this. Connect with the Fevicol. Now take a A4 size paper like this, small paper strip. Apply glue and stick it on the middle where you are connected, so we can easily mold it. Now connect on the second side also. Let it dry. Now apply glue on the edge part like this. Now connect the other side big color wall. Now again stick the paper strip like this. Let it dry. After drying, now connect the edge part to the half strip you have to stick for this wall, and half strip you have to leave. Just fold it in a half shape like this. Now close connect the each other. Apply glue and connect this paper with the other side wall like this. Now the base house part is ready. Now 9 cm breadth and 25 cm length. Now here I am making the upper part of the house like this. Apply glue. You can use Fevibond for quick sticking. You can use Fevicol also, but it will take some time. Now connect this upper part wall like this to cover the upper part of the house. Now connect on the second side also. Same procedure. Repeat for another side also. For things needed, check in description box below. Now the base house part is ready. Now take another cardboard like this. Now stick in the middle part of the house like this in the front side. Now color the house with the white color paint. Now here I am taking white acrylic color and I am painting the wall. Now I am painting the doors and windows like this with the brownish color. The front part of the house is ready. Now here I am making designs for the window part to decorate the house like this. I am making flower designs around the windows like this to give a nice traditional look house. You can use this house for the Golu ideas and village theme dolls like this, and you can use for also school projects also. Now decorate the door with the red and white acrylic colors, yellow color. Here I am using acrylic colors. Now I have made a traditional column designs around the house like this. to give a nice traditional Indian village look, Indian village houses look. I have made designs around the house like this. Now take a paper rolls. I have shown in many videos how to make paper rolls. Take a paper rolls and cut in a small shapes like this. Now connect around it will be like a bricks on the upper part. Repeat same procedure. Now the paper roll sticking is ready. Now it will be like this. Now take a bigger roll and connect on the upper side like this. It will be some more big. Now connect to the upper part of the house like this. Repeat same procedure to the whole cardboard like this. Connect all the rolls like this. I am using A4 size papers and waste Xerox papers for making these rolls. Now take a big roll and big paper roll and connect in the middle part like this. You have to stick it. Now the upper part is ready. Now paint with the red color acrylic color paint like this. Apply acrylic color paint for whole side. It will give a nice traditional look in the village model style. Now here I am making mango leaves. Take a green color paper and just cut in a mango leaf shape like this with the help of scissors. For things in the checking description box below. Cut in a V shape like this to give a nice mango shape look. Here I am making mango leaves for decorating the front part door. Now apply glue and connect this leaf to the door like this. Now the front part is ready. Now I have taken a cardboard sheet and I have just cut it in a mango shape like this, in a cross shape like this, and I am sticking on the front part to cover these rolls and to give a nice wood look. Here I am using cardboard sheet. I am sticking with the Fevibond. Use Fevibond for fast sticking. Like this it will give a nice shape. It will give a nice wood look for the house, and I have painted with the brown acrylic color. Now take a thermocol sheet. Now paste it on the front side. Apply Fevicol, not Fevibond. Don't use Fevibond. Use only Fevicol for sticking of thermocol to the house like this. Let it dry for some time. It will take some time to dry. Let it dry. Now I have made some marks like this. 4 marks I have made on the front side. Now take a toothpicks, or you can use pencils also. Now apply Fevibond and just push it on the thermocol like this and connect to the edge part like this. It will be the pillars for the house like this on the front side. Apply glue Fevicol on the down side and apply Fevibond on the upper side for the fast sticking. Now apply. Here I am using white cement for pasting purpose. It will give a nice rear look. Here I am using white cement around the downside of the wall for the base. To cover the thermocol part, here I am using white cement. Let it dry for some time. It will take some time to dry. Let it dry for some time. After drying, paint as per your wish. You can use any color. Now here I am painting ash color on the front part, and it will give a nice real look as the village house. Now paint it. Paint the hole. Now paint the pillars with the brown color. Here I am using brown color for painting the pillars. Now pillars is also ready. Here I am decorating on the front part of the door with traditional columns, rangoli. Here I am I am using small column design for giving a nice traditional look. Now the base house part is ready. Now take a binding wire and just rotate in a round shape like this. Bend it. Take a paper strip and just roll it around the this binding wire. Just rotate it. Apply glue and close it. Now the roll is ready. Now apply Fevibond and take a small parrot. Here I made the parrot with using paper quilling. I will post link in the description box how to make. Please check in the link in the description box for making this parrot. Now the parrot is ready. Now connect this parrot on the edge part like this on the front side of the pillar. In the villages, the birds will be fly around the houses like this. To give a nice traditional look, here I am pasting the parrot like this. It will be giving nice real look. It looking very cute, and I have painted the traditional column on the other side also to give a nice traditional look overall house. Now here I made the traditional grinders, where we can see in the villages house like this traditional grinders, where we can make snacks for using by using these items. Now connect the items on the front side to cover the front part of the house like this. You can paste rice bags also. For making this traditional grinders, I will post link in the description box. Please check that link also for making these traditional grinders. And here I am making rice bags. Just I have used jute cloth for making these rice bags. Just post on the connect on the front side of the house like this to give a nice traditional look. Beautiful traditional house is ready. It's looking very gorgeous and super beautiful. You can use it for the school projects, and you can use for the village team, and you can use for you can present this village house in the Golu dolls. It is up to you how to use. It is very beautiful and craft idea, and it is very easy to make at home. Hope you all enjoy my video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Thank you friends. See you in the next video.